introducing the presentation directed by Javier and Bas, however presented by Oreo. The sponge is in the Porifera, which means pore bearing. The sponges are creatures that will stay in one spot for the rest of their lives and will not move. They can be found in warm waters. Sponges are very simple creatures and their anatomy is as well. They are made up of two layers, endoderm, which is the inner layer, and the ectoderm, which is the outer layer. In between these two layers, there is a substance called mesenchyme. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Even if the sponges look directly, they are internally the same. Or if they look differently, like on the outside, internally they are still the same. So some examples are here, as you guys can see. There is the encrusting, the tubular, the pectin, and the boring. Even though they all look different on the outside, they still work the same on the inside. They eat plankton that goes through the pores that are called octitia. The food goes into the vacuoles, into the central cavity, and the waste and water goes out of the osculum. The Kohler cells move the food into and pump the water out. Digestion in every individual cell in the vacuoles. Since sponges don't have any nervous tissues, they won't react when you touch on them on the outside, right? So if you were to touch it like on the outside, let's say you're in the ocean, it would not react like any other animal. Let's say if you touched an octopus, right, it wouldn't want to back off from you because it just simply wouldn't feel it.